I can't say that. On our way to Randy's house, we're gonna. Damn. We're going on a trip and what did I do with the knife, mate? Oh, Chosen done snuck out the house. I think my cat snuck out the house again. So like I was saying, we're on our way to Randy's house. I'm gonna install a windshield banner on my car. Randy already has one installed. I'm gonna do some product shots. Did I take my keys too? I did take my keys. I do have my keys in my pocket. Yes, I do. Unlock the door so we can go. Randy already has the banner on his car. We installed it yesterday. So we're gonna install a red one on Akira. And the red one's in the back seat. So that's what we got cooking up. Like a nice little, you know, cool little vlog. Update on the Integra. Don't know what's going on. My harness reached Wireworks today. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, I shipped it out what, yesterday or Monday? Can't remember. I think on Monday or yesterday. It was definitely Monday. I shipped it out, but the engine start. My engine has started. Honda. They my only fans. I was in my hovercraft.
Understand?
Yeah.
I am not your man.
No.
I am super. I got plans.
Yeah. Just heard the news that they someone murked young Dolph, dog. That's crazy, bruh. Dog, that's wild, dog. Gotta do better, black folks. We gotta do better, bruh. That's crazy, son. All right, so I didn't get to vlog the one what we did on Randy's car yesterday, so we're gonna vlog the one today. We gotta unlock it. So, like I told you guys when at the crib, we're gonna be putting on a red one today because the theme of this car is like black, white, and red. I got the red seats, red Marauder image sticker. Yeah, so I wish I had the black one, but somebody bought the last one. Not the professional way to do it, but shit, we got it. Tucked up in there nice. The hardest part, usually for us yesterday, was this thing. The top piece. About to head to Sam's Club and Walmart. I'm gonna take some product shots of Randy's banner up top at Sam's Club on the side of Sam's. They got like a nice little backdrop. He gotta do something with his headliner, bitch. Who go? Your headliner got bovid. Oh, I need to take it out and get it all. Put the painted black. Facts. That looks fresh. Poor guy ain't. Alright, so we came to Sam's. Took some product shots. I'll insert them on the screen. Yep, got all the stuff I need for Zoshmfg, racing banners. Had these for a minute now, but now just putting on Randy's car and then my car. But yeah, it's all set and good. In case y'all ask what wheel specs, 17x9 plus 22, 245/40, 57 DRs in black. And this is boosted K20. Boy's a beast. It never gets old, boy. Them Skunk 2 cold starts never get old. I am starting my day. Well, not really. I'm gonna finish this video at the starting point of 4:32 p.m. Ah, what a day so far. But what's up, fam? Today, not really what's gonna go on. I gotta go do some product shots of the red Zoshmfg banners on the website. Gotta ship off something for the homie Randy. And then from there, finish this video, man. I don't want this video to drag on for too long. Update so far on the Integra, nothing. Well, Xavier got my harness. It should be sent out hopefully in the next couple of days. Maybe today's Thursday, so hopefully he sends out Friday and I'll get Monday or Saturday. Nah, if he sends out Friday, I'll receive it Monday. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm letting the car warm up, and then we're gonna shoot to the post office, And then close out this video with probably like a cinematic. I don't know, probably go to the car wash, honestly, because this car is dirty and I neglected it for a long time and I got like stuck on dead bugs, so I got to scrub the shit out of the bumper. Luckily for me, the paint on this car is okay condition, but I don't care about scratching it with the car wash brush. I really don't care. This car's getting repainted anyway with a whole new front end, and I'm just cleaning up the front end. Speaking of which, I need a new front bumper. I wanted to get the facelift front bumper, the 09 to 2011 front bumper. I have the 06 to 08. Yeah, I got the 06 to 08, which is the basically 94, 97 front end on the Integra, and I want the 98 to 01 front end, essentially. So yeah, that's what's going on, pimp. Let's get this vlog started. Well, let's finish this vlog. 4:52, and we at the pumps. I've owned my Civic for about, I don't know how long I've had this car, but look at this, bro. I accidentally filled my tank up. I used to be a $10 nigga, then I went to a $20 nigga, then I became a $30 nigga, now I'm a full tank nigga? Bro, what? Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. That's crazy. Bro, I never thought I'd see the day where I could fill up my tank. That's crazy. That is crazy. This is remarkable. What the hell? That was crazy. All right, let's get these product shots in of my banner against Sam's Club, because this is the place to take your pictures. No one knows about this spot yet. Oh, maybe they do, I don't know. But I like this spot. I'll probably do it like right on this backdrop or something. I don't know, I don't need none. Nah, I'll probably do it on the side of the building. Yeah, I mean in the back of the building. Yeah, no one really knows about this spot. Or maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't know. But where I took Randy's pictures in previous clips, right here. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. I cannot believe I filled my tank up. That's wild. That's a nice spot right there too to take some pictures. I'll do it right here. All right, so I took a couple shots. I'll insert them on the screen. And yeah, that is what it is. This is how my baby look. That red banner was a fire touch. Oh, that looks so good. I wanted to do the black, but somebody bought it last minute. But man, that looks good. She's slowly but surely coming along. I can't wait to complete the back. Maybe get a JDM rear bumper. Yeah, I know I'm going big Wayne gang. Fishbowl the car. I don't like tents. I want you to see the interior, so I can have, when I throw my roll bar in there, they look nice and neat. Get the FD2 front end, and yeah, it'll be dope, dope-alicious. But yeah, my bumper right here keeps breaking. So if anyone in Florida has a, look at this, it's done. This is how the car came too. It's like glued up there. I broke the glue. But if anyone has a 2009 to a 2011 front bumper, please let me know. All this stuff gonna get changed when I go FD2 front anyway. But for now, this is it, brother. What y'all think? She's coming along great. Great 8th gen build for the channel. Well, for the YouTube space. I'm still shocked that I filled my tank up, dog. I never do that. Never. But hey, got a full tank of gas, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Now I'm on the way home so I can edit this vlog and get it up for y'all. Well, yeah, that's all the updates really. Akira's good, need an oil change. Christina, I don't know. This guy's talking to himself. I guess, I don't know. Shit crazy around here in these PSL streets. But yeah, on the way home, I want some Wendy's lemonade. Man, Wendy's lemonade will slap. Y'all ever had Wendy's lemonade? That shit is slap. Alright, so I'm back home to close out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. It really helps the channel. I haven't really talked too much about the video 26 and regarding my comments or how I truly feel about the whole video as a whole. And I know it's crazy, when I released that stop tech video after my 26 video, people were like, you're rich, how are you complaining about money, yada yada yada.
Babe.
What?
You pick me up.
What happened?
I'm tired.
Girls. So regarding that purchase I made, I actually put myself, I think I said that in the video, I put myself in a lot of debt. I sold off my Willwoods. I made like $600 off the Willwoods. And the total brake kit I spent was $1,600. So $1,000 came out of part of my business for my payout. And I had a little bit of money saved for, you know, car stuff while I was in the process of moving. I still am in the process of moving to my own place. So yeah, lots going on in that department. So people thinking like I was just capping for views or support. I wasn't, bro. Like I literally invest pretty much all I got, which is stupid, into this because I believe in my channel, or believed in. I don't know where I'm at with this thing. I still want to, I don't know, bro. But thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. If you didn't enjoy, leave a dislike, bro. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm out. Peace.